bomb bay doors open. Is it the Volkswagen thing, or what the hell is it? Pardon my language there. Won't anybody run me over, please?
Touch them or climb on them, unless specifically instructed to do so by a member of the crew. We've got a lot of interesting concessionaires in our exhibit hangar, which is the large maintenance hangar. It was on your right as you came in the gate back there. Wander on in the door and take a look at all the concessions in there. There's lots of interesting World War II memorabilia concessionaires in there if you'd like to pick up a t-shirt or a hat or a patch or something of the sort like that. There's also .5 video. .5 Video, ladies and gentlemen, is the official air show videography company for Air Show 95. They'll be producing an air show videotape of Air Show 95. And you get to see the show from a different perspective than you get to see it as a spectator. Steve Palmer and his crew do interviews with all the performers, and they have cameras up in the planes. And $29.95, they'll take your credit card. And in about 90 days, they'll send you your videotape that I know you'll enjoy. So wander on over to .5 Video in the exhibit hangar and take a look at all the other concessionaires when you have a chance. Our air show flying will begin in about an hour and 50 minutes from right now.
Community. It was presented from the Department of Defense to the Oklahoma wing. Yeah, you had to hold like 3 events honoring the World War II veterans, and I thought it was a fabulous flag. I think what we were talking about doing is next year running, printing some t-shirts.
Is that close enough for you to an aircraft? Beautiful, Santa.
That airplane. Taxiing in on the Echo right now, getting on the taxiway of Long Brady from Canada. It is North American C-51 Mustang, one of several C-51s that are here today.
There's our 251 Mustang.
Back from our free air power demonstrations pilot briefing, and he says the weather forecast today is pretty much as you see it right now. The temperatures in the mid-70s. A great day. We're here to hear Monday, very early 95.
That sounded too new. Anybody know they're German? beside that aircraft. Yeah. I'm looking over aircraft. Over. Aren't these beautiful jet aircraft?
Or unless we can watch this gentleman. I guess that's what
And then two B-51 Mustangs will cross right in front of the crowd as we open the air power demonstration.
F-16, guys. approaching from your left for his last maneuver, a tactical pitch-up to landing. He will cross the runway at 500 feet and perform a rolling pitch-up as he turns to the downwind leg of the rolling pattern. Ladies and gentlemen, from your left, Captain Guy goes in the F-16 Fighting Falcon.
Say something to Bill.
He's coming in for landing. Stand up on the chair left. Hold the chair still.
See where they live? He's not alone.
Here he comes.
Ladies and gentlemen, the F-16 Fighting Falcon played a vital role in the defense of this nation during the Gulf War. It has greatly increased Air Combat Command's ability to meet its commitments as the Air Force's quick reaction force, helping to give the Air Force's global reach, global power, and assuring its ability to meet any challenge, anywhere, under any circumstance.
On the rest of his routine for you here at the last day of Air Show 95. Nose up and hot step roll. Ladies and gentlemen, Jan Comfort and the Pitts SUV Venus Special.
Now you can
Now let's watch Jan focus off. He'll climb, gain a little bit of altitude so he can get a little more, bit more airspeed as he dives back down the show from the right to perform his first maneuver. Jan always likes to do this maneuver at the beginning to show the underneath side of the Venus Special, and a little advertising for his sponsors. This time I'm returning the top of the airplane. The Venus Special is Pitts S2B, Jan Calmer from Dallas.
I got room for a couple of them up here.
He'll do a performance turnaround down up to the right. Jan will perform a 4-point roll. Hesitating the aircraft at every 90 degrees of roll position. Watch how crisp Jan does it. Nose comes up, just about right to hub. He's not too much. There's 3 and 4. The 4-point roll from Jan Calmer in his Venus Special, Pitts S2B. Once again, Jan will do another performance turnaround here right in front of you. Notice that he's right in front of you, ladies and gentlemen. Comes down the one SUV turnaround, and he'll execute it inside Barnstormer's loop with a little twist up at the top. It's what we call the avalanche. An inside loop with a roll on the top. The avalanche from Jan Calmer, ladies and gentlemen, at the Pitts S2B Venus Special. Right, red, white, and blue biplane. Once again, Jan will kind of jink off to the right, do a roll for you, and then another roll for you, and he'll then bend it back around to the left and get set up for his next maneuver.
Getting it okay?
Next maneuver we know as the torque roll. Jan will bring it stage center, point the nose of that Pitts S2B Venus Special right straight up in the sky, keep the power on. He'll begin a series of aileron rolls to the left, and when the airplane reaches 0 airspeed, he will allow the airplane to continue to roll back down. It's called the torque roll. Ladies and gentlemen, from the left, let's watch. Jan's got the smoke off, back on again. Let's watch him just about right now. Pitch it up to the nose, to the upright. Once he establishes the upline, he'll begin the aileron roll. As the airspeed bleeds off, he's approaching 0 airspeed. Jan will allow the Venus Special just to roll right back down through its smoke. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the torque roll. Very difficult maneuver to do in the wind today. As he recovers, let's see what Jan's getting set up for next. I believe he's getting set up for the Longshibok, which is a Czechoslovakian maneuver. Longshibok means the Czechoslovakian heading. And you'll see why in just a moment. Jan says that he's the pilot in command at the beginning of this maneuver, at the end of the maneuver, and in the middle, the airplane's in control. Pitches it up to the upline, rolls it over, there's the Longshibok. Ladies and gentlemen, nose to tail and tail to nose. Jan Calmer performing the Czechoslovakian maneuver, the Longshibok in the Vena Special Pitts S2B. Now, Jan said you saw the torque roll. I'm going to let you know, see another vertical maneuver. This time, when I reach 0 airspeed, I'm going to chop the power back on this Venus Special and let it slide right back down. Jan Calmer from the left, ladies and gentlemen, in the tail slide. Once again, nose up, just about right now. capture of the smoke. The tail slide, ladies and gentlemen, from Jan Comer in the Venus Special is bright red, white, blue, hips, biplane. We've had the pleasure of working with Jan for the last 8 or 9 or 10 years on air shows all across the country. He does a marvelous job every time. Another one half Q&A turnaround. And he says, I'm going to show you the outside, inside Cubanate. Rolls to the inverted, pushes all the way across the top with the cockpit on the outside of that maneuver. Then he'll establish the 45-degree down line. Do a complete roll to the upright as he begins to do the second half of the Cubanate. This time with the cockpit on the inside. The outside, inside Cubanate. Oh, Jan says, I'm not going to complete that maneuver. What I'm going to do is do a couple of rolls on the upline and do a hammerhead stall turnaround. Now Jan's getting set up for the 16-point roll, hesitating the Venus Special in every 22.5 degrees of roll position. Look at that. There's 8, 12, and 16. The 16-point roll from the right to the left. Jan's going to demonstrate his skill and expertise, ladies and gentlemen, with what we call the rolling 360-degree turn. When he hits show center, he'll turn to the left and start a 360-degree turn. The twist is he's going to do a complete aileron roll in every quadrant of that turn. He is very busy in that cockpit right now. The rolling 360-degree turn.